the height. Cool. Let's begin. Okay, so we need those. Alright. What are we doing this hour? So I want to allocate magazines to ammunition types, and then create individual soldier weapon lists. Okay. So let's allocate magazines to ammunition types. So we have magazine capacity, magazine compatible ammunition, and then we need magazine distribution. Anyways, hope everyone has a nice evening. How are you all doing today? So magazine distribution here. So I'm just gonna put a note for myself. This is gonna be example. It's gonna be 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. And then we are going to have something like 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, 0. So for the same example, we can use similar things and then base it upon that. So we already have sort magazine. So we can use compatible ammunition. High and range magazine compatible ammunition. Size in here for a J in range. Magazine compatible ammunition I dot size. So it's very similar, but we need these two to iterate through all different sections. And here we will if magazine compatible I J equals 1. And then we can use I so we do have the loose pool. So right now we have ammunition, right? That goes under ammunition. Okay, so it does go under ammunition. Roll. Hopefully it just references it and doesn't actually change anything. Get the duplicate. Okay, so hopefully this works not directly referencing anything, because I don't want to edit it and kill whatever I'm doing right now. So here we will take pool I minus magazine capacity. Okay. Here we will need to do if pool I is greater or equal than magazine capacity I. A lot of if statements, but they're unavoidable, unfortunate. Although we would love to prefer to use something a bit more aesthetic. And with this, if this happens, we want our temp index. Okay, so we only need one temp index. And with that, what we want to do is move I kind of want temp. So for iron range, magazine compatible ammunition. Okay, so this is gonna have to need a different one. Okay, so this needs a while statement, right? While tool I greater than equal or magazine capacity. So for I in range, magazine compatible ammunition, class size. Okay, so here else temp index dot append 0. Var temp value close. Value plus 1. And temp index dot append temp value. So that's how we're going to make that part work. Value plus equals 1. You know, while loop have multiple conditions? I've always wondered that. Magazine amount. This magazine amount. Hopefully that's gonna work for this. Okay, so we can use this for the references that we need. And this go. Okay. Those are the conditions. And then here, what we can do is magazine distribution plus equals or dot append. So this is how we are going to access that. And then we are going to get print for us. Alright, so let's just test that to see if it works on the actual minute. So here's our map. If you haven't seen it before, random generated each time. Oh, I don't think I that yet. Alright, let's just try that again. Alright, so it just should be loading back again. And here, now it's 0, 460, 390. And there, particular design. Oh, okay. Just a small bug. Never really the inspector expanded that big. That's very useful though. I think that's ever happened before. I might have messed with something. Okay. Look at that beautiful terrain generation. It's only one biome, but it's still nice enough. Hopefully I can get some kind of procedural expert, or I can get that type of expertise in the future. Okay, so this should be working. Now let's check the console. Okay, we have 140,000. How much ammunition is that? My brain is not fully awake, so I can't do this type of stuff. It's only 700 rounds. Okay, so we do have 700 rounds. I'm surprised we don't have the 2. Okay. Okay, so something is wrong here, so we're gonna have to do a bit of bug fix. So we have 10 of the 8mm to 58mm Bell 5. And then we have A Union B of this set, of this array subset, which does return the correct result, but I want to see how it utilizes it. Not A intersect B, it's A union B, which is difficult. So it should cycle through all of these. So if magazine compatible ammunition, IJ equals 1. If full I is bigger than or equal to magazine capacity I. Oh, it's supposed to be pool J. Oh my goodness. I am dumb. I'm getting so much bigger at better at identifying my own dumb mistakes. Especially coding when half tired. Well, that's what you gotta do when you're a university student. Alright. Here, 453, 372. This testing platoon goes here. Okay, so we get 2 magazines assigned to Belf. Okay, so we're not following our own condition that we set out. So that's something that we have to fix. That's a bit concerning. So what the issue is here and how to fix it. So we knew that magazines need to be fully filled to be proper. So we can't take the modulo right now. Okay, so we have to make sure. This may create an add a little break there. Hopefully that should be able to clear out anything untoward. I love this track so much. Here, 466, 400. And what this is gonna do, let's apply this thing, swap in. Okay, that's true. That's being very weird. It does allocate it, but it does allocate it a bit strangely. So we do have it, but it does have a bit of strange behavior, and I think that's fine. happening? Okay. Have these. I have to note that strange behavior. Otherwise, we have that down. Allocate magazines to ammunition types. And now we have to create individual soldier weapon lists. So what this does is runs through every loadout and then creates the inventory. I'm using ammunition sorter. Okay, we aren't. Now we're using this one. Okay, so we aren't using it. So we can lovely delete those two. Hogging my space. So, okay, we can get rid of that section. And now, what we can do is replace it with our squad weapon inventory. And then all we need is just the stat sheet with the stats of each individual firearm, and then we can use those too. I'm not sure if you guys should initialize per class template or if there's a simple way to hand them over around each individual thing. Not sure if we need the expert opinion of chat, but otherwise, interesting stuff. So export squad weapon inventory. I'm gonna call it generate inventory. This function generates weapon inventories, which are basically normal indexes again. Each individual soldier has a 2-dimensional And with this, I have to make sure that it also works when there's no magazines available. So here, what we are going to need is this loadout system. And we're just going to copy all of this. And we're just going to modify it to suit our needs. So we're looking for one here, I believe. Is it one? Determine weapon, right? Okay. Our name dot I. I think this would be able to handle it better. Alright, loadout dot equipment name dot Z type array. I don't think we need this, right? Or are we still using fire? Okay. Pass else. So we're trying to make it an alphabetical list. So if so, I don't think this is the way to do. Search index equals fire name dot find current squad current loadout. Node equipment name array z dot 0. Or I could actually do something first that will help immensely. So initialize temp index to include all zeros first. With this method, what I can do is just do what I said I would and kind of do that in a slightly more intensive, but should be good way. Good enough at least. Until I start running millions of units. This only initialized per unit, right? So I'm guessing each army only had like 100 templates at most. I hope. If you have more, that's a lot of micromanagement. What do you guys all think of squid? What's your favorite method to prepare squid? Or range firearm name size index dot and 0. I'm going to initialize it in here. So we're inside this. Make sure that works. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum, 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 ba-da-bum. So for each squad member, it should work. Alright, let's run again. For 344, 3. And let's add the new function again. 486, 3437. Okay, so I did something wrong. This is not supposed to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6. Okay. What? That's very confusing. So we do this, this, from the side. Yeah, it should only be like too big, right? So what are we printing after farm? There's farm ammunition, and then squat up in here. Oh. Good. That's my bad. Yes, Gems, this is more of an elf time. Welcome back. You have encountered the regular scheduled time. 386, 378. That we have that. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. That is correct. That is what I want. Okay, so we have that down. Okay, so is there a distinction between magazine and clip in here? So here it says clip. Over clip. End block clip. Moon clip. Okay. Okay, so I need to add more errors. So we have to make it so that the end block system more profile tracking systems for clips and magazines. Okay, so this is going to be a mega task. And for this task, what I want see here, we have the Jira board. And block added abilities. And then we are going then put abilities. Okay, put compatibilities. Magazine compatibility. This is what I need to do right now. This is kind of a big task. That's kind of enemy number one right now for what we need to do. Okay, so first of all, let's target the end-block clip compatibility issues. Okay, here. For end block clips, make sure that the firearm can actually use end block clips and has that capacity. So looking at an example of an end block design, I believe it's in the Metanart, right? Metanart uses an integral block via emulse. Wait, is this a rotary integral? What the? Okay. I've been giving wrong equipment to my troops this entire time. Oh, shit. Kinda screwed. I need to make a Metanart version of everything quickly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Kind of forgot all this time. Sinceres cannot do. Oh. Okay, so I have to change the ML Sinceres. These guys are gonna be integral blocks. Ammo fit, single column, bottom, staggered, but not. I'm gonna have to upgrade all of these Nice. I'm gonna have to make the update design thing for this too. Oh my goodness. I've caused absolute chaos. Okay, so now that's done. Let's try modifying something. Use the M-block internal system. So it's an open hinge, spring loaded. So one point of contention as well is that we have to make sure that it is compatible with reversible if needed. I'm not sure if I have this option. Okay, make sure it supports the reversible option as well if asked. Don't care, didn't ask. Here, I need to make sure that flips. Oh. Okay, so we do have the reversible option here. That is also needed and what is important. Be the change you want to see in this world. Do not throw car batteries into the ocean. PSA. It does not create electric eels. Okay, so here, if I'm gonna have a bunch of if statements nested together because I'm lazy. So if current firearm dot okay, so for here, I have to make sure that we are, what was it? So current if with type equals and block. Is it called end block or end block in the code? Okay, let's type end block. Okay. Okay, so I need to add this part into our error section. Just in case we need these errors, I'm just gonna have these as dummies. Wee, dummies. Oh yeah, I have to make sure it's an option as well. Oh my goodness. 4 concurrent viewers. Holy hell. So right now we're focusing on this section. So we also want to make a firearm. This variable should be the receiver. Receiver magazine type, is it not? Looking back at the receiver design here. Okay. So we'll be using this one as our reference. So first of all, if it's not equal to nblock, then we want to do error holder and mismatch. So for nblock, I'm going to do the specific type of error. I'm going to label it nblock first. And what's going on? What's a good error name? If it's not nblock. I'll just do nblock mismatch because I'm very creative. And if nblock reversible true, I just want to go through a bunch of different errors and current firearm. So in this case, there's a specific nblock thing here. So it's called receiver nblock reversible in the code. Not true. Or you just do not nblock reversible. I think that will work. And then here we will do error folder unblock reversible. We'll just name it that error. And this one is going to be I think this is going to be the same for... Oh yeah, so for nblock specifically, it has to have the same capacity as the capacity stated in the magazine section right here. So what I'm going to need is the capacity. Receiver magazine capacity. Not equal to capacity. What did I call it? Cartridge diameter. Capacity and block capacity. So those are going to be the main three errors for now. So we have these three errors, which are n-block mismatch, n-block reversible, and n-block capacity. And these ones are important. So I'm going to design a whole new n-block firearm and see how that functions, and then I'll just put in the errors first, actually. And I'll copy this into my Notepad++. Okay, so we can use this as a visual reference, so I don't have to keep switching tabs back and forth. Although how funny that might be. Right. So we have this one. Firearm cannot accept n-block. Here, n-block reversible. Firearm cannot accept. What if it's revert? Wait a second. Wait a damn second. Am I overthinking things? So if it's not reversible and I try to put it in a reversible one, will that work? I don't think it's designed that way. Okay, so I have to do another case for that as well. Not accept reversible and block clips. I don't know if it's a two-way thing. I'm pretty sure it's not a two-way thing. I'm pretty sure it's a two-way thing. Depending on how you look at it, I'm not explaining myself very well. Firearm and block clip do not have the same capacity. So let's try it out. We have a 3-round end block clip, so this is what I'm going to base my design on. The reversible one. So currently it's just firearm cannot accept end block clips. Okay, that's good. So right now it's going to output different errors. So after mismatch, I want reversible and capacity to show up. Aleph and block. Reversible. And if that doesn't work either. Huh. Aleph current firearm, the receiver magazine capacity not equal. So I want this to be their prerequisite to these two. I don't want these two to be mutually exclusive. Okay, so I can put an elif and a if. This should work. So we are going to design a gun. It's called the most generic name ever. Let's do this. Flip door. Let's do hinge. And nothing here. So here we have to do a single column. Oh yeah, for M block we also have to choose the ammo fit. Ammo fit needs to be the same. So here we have these two, and then we have our grip and stuff. Cool. Pretty mad. Come on, man. I know you love end block stuff. Please. No. What's it called? Does it have a capital in it? It does. Okay. That. Hmm. Okay, that was a code issue. I'm like, wait a second, I didn't update the thing. Why is it working? That didn't turn out to be the case for that problem. How many chickens could fit into a chicken hen? Yeah, so the ammo fit needs to be the exact same as well. Let me add that. Here, let's add the other error. What? Okay. Alright. So now if I have something different, it shouldn't work. It straight up shouldn't work. Okay, great. So here what we want is to have the end block in vague. I want to see how many errors I can do. If there's a reversible. Okay, so let's put it into this. Farm cannot accept reversible and block clips. Farm and block clip do not have the same ammo fit, and we just have a small typo there. Yay! Yum. Potato, pancake, honey nut, sugar. Ah. Sugar. Wait, what? Why there's so many strings? What? Where the hell is it coming? Where? What do you mean? What do you mean I'm not printing? So this works. Oh, that's good. Done. So next up, what I have to do is have Mooncliff compatibilities. So I may have gotten some issues about this in the past. So just to make the character a bit more dynamic and fun. Holy shit. I did not mean to say that. That was like a virtual scenario that my brain was imagining, and I said something completely random enough. What the hell? Okay. I'm like half dreaming right now, so I'm not in the correct mental state for this. So I've gotten that down, I've marked that done on the Jiro board, and I'm going insane. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, wow! And also, yeah, thank you guys, have a nice day, enjoy your time, have a good night. See you guys soon.